I have already mentioned that I like to use send accounts and therefore I want to set up a send account right now. I am here on my broker's website and now I can choose what I want. I would like to use the MetaTrader 5. The account model is MT5 Pro Send. It is very important that we select a hedging system. As a currency, I can choose euros or US dollars here, and I personally find the leverage of 1.0 a bit high. You can even go up to 2000. I usually use 150. This makes it easier for me to compare with other systems that I have already traded. Now you can assign a password here, and if I click on confirm, my account should be created. That's happened now. Now, of course, we still have to deposit money. Alternatively, I can make a transfer from my credit here. Let's do that now. I'm selecting 100 euros here. The status is pending, so that may take a bit. Let's copy our account number already. Of course, an update is offered again now. This typically always happens when you are about to do something else. Unfortunately, MetaQuotes has recently acquired a bad habit. And that is the fact that certain systems report after a certain time that they have to be recompiled because the version is too old. I think that this is to force people to always install the latest version of MetaTrader 5, similar to what is already done with Windows. I now right-click here on Accounts and open an account. My broker is called RoboForex. I click on Next. Now I can connect to a current account here. The username is my account number. Now I enter my password and click on Done. And as you can see, my account is connected. Due to the current Euro-US dollar exchange rate, $10,000 have now become 9,541 euros. Converted, this means that for every 100 euros deposited, I now have 95.41 euros available on my Send account, which are traded as if they were 9,541 euros. And when it comes to payment, it is then recalculated accordingly using the factor of 100. In any case, I have now connected my demo account and my Send account, and in the next video we will continue with automatic trading.